Public Defender, Arlene Harrison Henry, has found that the police are responsible for the controversial cutting of Nzinga King's hair. She outlined her findings in a report obtained by Nationwide News. Ms. King is a member of the Rastafarian faith. Her hair was shorn while in custody at Four Paths Police Station. Ms. King accused the police of carrying out the act while police claimed she cut her own hair. However, Director of Public Prosecutions, Paula Llewellyn, previously ruled that there were serious credibility issues in reviewing the complaint brought by Nzinga King. She recommended that no action be taken against the police members in question. According to the DPP, King contradicted her own accounts and witnesses too. However, Mrs. Harrison Henry says the forcible cutting of King's hair by the police breached a raft of constitutional rights. She's recommending King either take a case directly to the Supreme Court by way of constitutional motion or seeking direct claim in damages.
Dear my wonderful people, it's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification button. And remember, subscribe and leave a comment. And remember now, once you finish watching this video, there's many more of this kind of video that you can tune into. But let's go into this. Nzinga wins her case. No, just kidding. But the public prosecution did their research and investigation, and them realized her hair was really cut in the police station. Even though Paula Llewellyn agreed with the policeman them that the little girl was unbelievable and all this other stuff. Now, I do agree with Blessagazadeva, and I'm gonna play a clip from Blessagazadeva because I got this information from her thing. And I do agree with Blessagazadeva. I've been saying this for the longest time, and Blessagazadeva said it best. So let's go.
Reminds people, wanna think God asleep? Wanna think God asleep? The DPP can't get away with murder, so she can't get away with them things here. Every day the girl get up, she do some form of fuckery, and she really believes that so life did go. God is not sleeping. This is awesome, because I was wondering, how Nzinga for sit down and dig out and pluck out fear owner. Hear them. Paula is a criminal. Paula is a criminal. Paula is one of the biggest criminals we have in Jamaica. She has let go some of the wickedest people to roam our streets in the country. So I don't want a blogger girl and a blogger boy come round and come tell me about them a watch criminal on the street. Go and watch the criminals who head up the white collar offices. Paula Llewellyn, your day come. It is a job.
I agree with Blessagazadeva. I did a video on Paula Llewellyn, and I just have a problem with her job and how she do her job. But one of my biggest problem is her job is written into the Constitution of Jamaica. And how do you get rid of her? So it is not clear. How do we get rid of the Attorney General? Is it the Prime Minister who fires her? Do we vote her out? But her job, like I said, is written into the Constitution, and she she has constitutional authority over everything. I even think over the Prime Minister. I've always spoke on that. Plus, I speak on constitutional rights of our citizens. And here comes Gaza. I say Gava. Yo, Blessagazadeva, me I mess up your name, but me I make it run same way. Here comes Blessagazadeva, feel the same way like how I feel. I feel she is a thug. I feel Paula Llewellyn is not fit for the job. We have the most crime in history of Jamaica, and she has been the DDP for the last 12 to 14 years. I mean, this is insane. There is all sort of constitutional rights, things that needs to be investigated, you know, that the state did to citizens is not being investigated, and she is just fixated. She's like a man, but she's like a man woman or a woman man, because I don't want to attack her personally, but it seems like she's feminine, but she is a tough cookie, and she's just focused on one down, or I don't even know. I don't want to trivialize this, but yeah, Blessagazadeva right, and I'm glad Nzinga win. Well, Mona says she win the case, but I'm glad the public prosecution did their investigation, and that's what a democracy is. And now they can take it a step further. So, like Blessagazadeva said, this put fire underneath Paula Llewellyn. So, yo, Nzinga, good one, baby. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, you subscribe, and leave a comment. And please click on the next video that comes up, because it is linked to this one. I'm out.